Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinkin. In today's video, I'm going to talk about that there are bullish signs on the horizon because some traders believe that rate cuts in the US can come early as September already. Then we have CME Group, the world's largest futures exchange is planning to launch Bitcoin trading. Then we have Millenium Management, for example, discloses $2 billion in Bitcoin ETF holdings, and there are many others. You know, the F13s just came out. And well, when we're talking about Bitcoin spot ETFs, there is already almost 1 million Bitcoin in ETFs. So this is also a crazy big number. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom to keep you up to date. So if that's important for you, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And now let's do it. Well, for start, let's have a look at the market. I'm sharing the screen. Here we go. Bitcoin 2.5% up in the last 24 hours, but in a week, 7.5%. Ethereum kind of moving sideways, not up, not down. This is kind of nothing. So Bitcoin price $65,817. Ethereum 2,955 $. The winner of the day so far is Phantom with 13% gain. Then we have Immutable X, 10%, almost 11% off. Say 10%. So when we're looking at the top 100, these are the top 3. Then among the losers, we have Notcoin. I don't even know this one to be honest with you. It's down 50%. Pepe 10% down, Render 9% down. And when we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we can see this kind of bullish breakout. So guys, let's talk about that. Okay, so let's get back to this one. Well, we can see here this trend line. We broke out of this trend line, and also we see this falling wedge. This is definitely the falling wedge in general. It's a bullish pattern, and yes, as you can see it, we are here on sideways moves for a long time. So actually, look here, we had this price February, end of February. Then we had the whole March, April, and half of May, kind of sideways movements, not major breakouts, not major falls. Yes, we have seen here, the new all-time high. That's very, very important, a significant one. But then we are pushed back, and since that we're really just not doing anything. So we came here down to 60,000, and then we visited again, and then he went a little bit under it, and then we visited again, and now. Couple of things. We have here this reverse head and shoulders, as you can see. This is one of the things. Then we have this trend line broken. Then we have this falling wedge. So these are all bullish signs. And now we're going to see how this 65,000-ish support going to hold. That could be very, very important. Not just now on the daily, but at the end of the week, how the weekly is doing, how the weekly chart supports it. So that's very important. But another thing, why these kind of things happening, apart from technical analysis, then we can here see that US inflation data fuels bets of Fed rate cuts as early as September. So if you remember, I did talk about the CPI data. It came out, and it turns out the CPI was in April 3.4%. This was the forecast as well, but a month before it was 3.5. So we can see some decrease. Well, some analysis are far from convinced that this is going to happen, but we can see that the traders are really positive, because this doesn't go just for Bitcoin. When we're looking at here Nasdaq, you can see Nasdaq going up very nicely, actually reaching here. See the big picture, right? New highs. And then we have S&P 500 just doing the same. So looks traders are positive right now. Also, I think I will do the video now in one go. I'm not going to separate it to different parts. Also, we have here Bitcoin up 7.5% on Wednesday, and this performance is the best since the 20th of March. So we have waited for it kind of long, almost for 2 months. Then we have here, CME Group, which is the world largest futures exchange, is planning to launch Bitcoin trading, aiming to capitalize on surging demand this year among Wall Street money managers to gain exposure to cryptocurrency sector. And we can see all eyes on Bitcoin ETF. So Bitcoin is getting hot. Then we have this new F13s. Came out, and we can now see many, big guys have invested in Bitcoin spot ETFs in the first quarter, and now everything is out of the box. We can see who has what, and we have, for example, international hedge fund Millenium Management has reported almost $2 billion across 5 different spot Bitcoin ETF products. So that's actually kind of hot. And look, here we have the 13F summary of Bitcoin ETFs holdings by Eric Balchunas. I'm not going to go here through this one by one, but you can see the lot of LLCs, LPs, and so on and so forth holding now Bitcoin spot ETFs. And finally, when we're talking about Bitcoin spot ETFs, this is also a crazy number. If you're looking at this here, 833,164 Bitcoin just here in the US in those ETFs. And then we have the rest of the world, looking at other ETFs, another big amount. So altogether, we have 966,269 Bitcoin in Bitcoin ETFs. And this is a very big number. Think about it. There will be maximum 21 million Bitcoin out by the year 2140, and actually now we have out bit more than 19.6 million Bitcoin. So this number is almost 5%, and the big hype has just started now, and we had the approval by the SEC on the 10th of January this year, and then we had Hong Kong starting trading spot Bitcoin ETF, also Ethereum ETF on the 30th of April, probably Australia coming up in the end of this year, and so on and so forth. So we can see that after sideways movements, even that when it could be maybe the summer could be some easy, nothing happening. Many times it's sideways, but when you're looking at the bigger picture, and let's not just focus on a couple of weeks or a couple of days, but what can happen towards the end of the year, second part of this year, it could be great. So it's not advised, but it's worth to keep an eye on the market. What is the market doing? How it performs? So guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day you're getting the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So I keep you up to date. So if that's important, simply subscribe, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and see you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.